How to share folder in Google Drive Android. Open Drive. You can see the files here. Click on three dots at the right of file, which you want to share. Click on Share. Enter the email address. Also write the message. Click on Share icon. The file is shared successfully. Now for sharing folder, consider these steps. Click on File. Click on three dots. Click on Share. Enter the email address. Click on Share. That's how you can share file and folder in Google Drive and Android. That's all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload.